How to save document from WhatsApp to laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can save document from WhatsApp to laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up WhatsApp in your laptop. After that, open up a conversation where you have received the document from. Now once you have this document, what you have to do is click on this Save As button, and then you have to choose the location where you want to download your document to. For example, I want to download this to the downloads folder, and then you can rename the file as well. Once done, click on Save. Here it says download completed. After that, you can close this. Now you can go to your downloads folder in your device. Go to the downloads, and here you can find the document that you have recently downloaded from the WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.